Pharma and life sciences manufacturers are facing new challenges on a daily basis. As businesses consolidate globally, individual sites are now producing for larger markets, and adherence to schedule is more important than ever before. Customer performance and service is crucial in an increasingly competitive marketplace, which drives the need to manufacture as lean as possible in an effort to increase base margin and remain profitable. In addition, product security across the supply chain, loss of consumer confidence and regulatory compliance are ongoing concerns of today's industry. The Iconix 32 software system has significantly increased the completeness of our documentation and level of quality assurance. The demand for real-time data from both within and outside the enterprise has become an increasingly important element in the fight to increase base margin, increase efficiency and visibility across the board, whilst maintaining a high level of quality and customer service. As a decision maker, you have to take action at the right time and based on real-time accurate and meaningful information. This is where Iconix can help you.